Hello everybody. You are preparing yourselves to choose one of Sciences Po's 7 schools: Law, Journalism, Public Affairs, PhD Studies, Urban Affairs, International Affairs, or the School of Management and Innovation. Each of these schools boasts a specialist academic project and the promise of high-quality professional prospects. Take the time to discover each of them, to assess and understand what draws you most authentically to one rather than another. If you have a marked interest in a particular program, then take the time to meet the team from that school. This open house day is an important step in the process of constructing your path, and it will give you the chance to further explore and to reinforce your motivation. By the end of today, maybe, you will be more certain of your academic or professional aspirations, of the ways in which Sciences Po offers the promise of a unique intellectual and personal experience. To choose Sciences Po is to choose a community united by common values and by a shared ambition. Values like openness, willingness to accept and embrace debate and diverse points of view, placing knowledge and reason at the heart of your education. The values that you share with your professors and your classmates will also be those which you will put in the world and which the world will shape in you. Public service, a heightened sense of personal and collective responsibility, respect of all freedoms. The ambition that fuels each of our schools is that you will be able to pursue your own project as completely as possible with the most nuanced understanding possible of the world in which you will act. Our world-renowned professors and teaching staff provide our students with rigorous instruction, that which is on par with the reputation of excellence of the Sciences Po graduate's degree. Sciences Po is a highly international French university. Our tradition is rooted in applying humanistic principles to the challenges of tomorrow. Sciences Po will invite you and encourage you to imagine, to innovate, to build. We need you with your widely diverse paths, identities and dreams. Together, tomorrow, you will make Sciences Po, and the first step begins with your application.
Sciences Po.